Okay everyone, in this video I want to share my opinion about the tiny home design with a futuristic style on a meadow land from the AI generated. There is a 10 alternative design of the tiny home that I would like to share to all of you about my opinion about this AI generated, and let's watch. In this first design, I'm very impressed about this tiny home design with AI generated because it gives me inspiration about the how to arrange the glazing of the exterior building of this tiny home itself, and about the color tone. I like it because the transparent color with the combination of the black color on the door and window frame, and then with a white or white bone color on this main envelopes of this tiny home. It's very cool anyway. Then I just like it. And for the another reason of this design, I just like it about the even if this tiny home is very small, it has small space for the outdoor laser area. It has an outdoor laser area that we can see on the back side from here. We can see on the back side from here, and it has another innovation about the curvy shape for every corner, just like that we can see about it, and it gives me inspiration about the tiny home futuristic inspiration as a designer anyway, so I could improve in my design itself. Then for the second design, just like this, I like this combination between the two meshes of this tiny home building, on the left side and on the right side mesh of the tiny home design. I just like it, and it has terrace area or hallway area in the front of this tiny home, so it not just only living area on the indoor area or in the interior area, also it has laser space. It has an open space on the front of this tiny home that it could make design inspiration or imagination on me as a designer. Then with dark color of the frame and combination color of the building envelopes of this tiny home on the envelope with a curvy shape. I mean, it's about the curvy shape, and it has white color of this envelopes of this tiny home itself. Then the combination of the transparent material, such as the position of the window and the door. I mean, it just need a small improvement. It just need a small improvement from this generated AI, but we can just only improve for more detail. I mean, as a designer. Then for the third design, it's look pretty cool and simple. It's look pretty cool, simple and compact design. I like this one because of this compactness of this tiny home design that we can see from here. We can see from the compactness of this tiny home design. We can see about the white envelopes with the combination of the color, with the dominance color is white, and it's just a small area with the dark color on the door and window frame and on the envelopes, especially on the right side on that. And it has I mean, it has a response from the climate from the outdoor area. I mean, because it has space enough of hallway, so it could be relaxed not only on the indoor area but also on the outside of this tiny home. So I mean, if this design could be realized in the real life, if this design could be built on the real life, I mean, it's so beautiful. It would be a beautiful design. So as a designer, maybe I just still improve a little bit of it because it gives me inspiration about the tiny home. And the fourth design, I mean, is very just like a unique. It's a unique shape of this tiny home because it's not common sense of not. I mean, it's not a common shape. It gives some uniqueness of this tiny home from the envelopes that we can see about the concept of the triangle. Then it could be a combination about between the triangle and the curvy shape for every single corner that we can see from here. And I like again about the door and window glazing placement, just like that on the right and on the front side. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool design and pretty cool inspiration for me as a designer. So I just need to improve just a little bit from this. And I mean, it could be responsive from the outdoor climate because it could be protect from the overlapping. It could be protect from the rainwater from the outside because it has overhang canopy which is built in on this tiny home itself. And I mean, it was great inspiration for me. Then the fifth design inspiration from the AI generated, I mean, it's so beautiful enough. I mean, it's so beautiful enough with scenery on the afternoon photography. I mean, it looks realistic and gives the inspiration about the lighting arrangement. I like this lighting arrangement because if this is give me inspiration about the exterior lighting especially, or maybe it just indoor lighting, but it could be affect to the exterior also. And for the shape of this tiny home design, I see about the smooth and futuristic vibes of this tiny home building. And it can be I mean, this design was um, maximizing about the door and window glazing with a transparent material with the glazing concept, just like that. Even if even like that, it could be protect from the rainwater from the outside by those cantilever or by those canopy right there. And I mean, it was charming and good quality of the design. Okay, and this is for the next design. I mean, it's so simple, but it unique enough. This is so simple design and unique, and it has a uniqueness of this tiny home itself. And I like the color of the white. I like the color of the white because the white color on this design alternative, it's very bright enough. It's very bright enough, so it could be seems interesting and seems charming from far away. Then the lighting on the indoor area of this tiny home, it's made the contrast from the white color of the envelopes building of the tiny home itself. I mean, it's pretty cool with seems like a cylinder shape of this tiny home, but it could be a oval shape of this tiny home. And yeah, I mean, it's very simple, but it could be attractive to the public. I mean, it could be attractive with floating. We can see it seems like a floating tiny home with small structure on the bottom. Uh, I mean, it's a great design inspiration. So for me as an engineer, I can improve it maybe. Then it was like airplane. It was like an airplane concept and aerodynamic. I mean, it the power of this design is about the aerodynamic with a futuristic, just like this. I mean, it's so futuristic, and from the shape we can see that this is a very aerodynamic consideration. I mean, in this design could be attractive. I mean, it's so attractive. Then we can see about the transparent door and window again right there. Then I mean, it was great. I mean, it could be a great design composition or exterior composition. I like the composition of this exterior tiny home with uniqueness of this glazing design with the combination with inclination line right there, with the combination with inclination line just like this, and as we can see with the transparent door and transparent window with the combination with the envelopes. The envelopes, it seems like bulky, but it's so cool. It's so cool, not too massive. It could be a great design if we could make it real anyway. Then we can see about the next design of this. I think this is about the improvement from the previous design, and then we can see about the asymmetrical exterior composition from the left side and right side exterior. We can see on the left side it just small space, and it maximize on the right side, so it could be attractive enough from this asymmetrical composition. I mean, as a designer, I like this one. I like this composition of this exterior, so we can see about this, that which is this tiny home is maximizing the glazing. This tiny home is maximizing the glazing component or glazing element of this tiny home with a curvy futuristic shape and asymmetrical aspect of this exterior. Then we can see about the chimney on the top of the tiny home roof. So we can imagine about the function of this indoor space. So the indoor space has a fireplace area that could be distribute to the chimney from the backside, as we can see from here. Okay, and then for the next design, I think it's very pretty cool. It's very unique. It's so simple. It seems look so small, but it's so pretty cool. It could be a 50-50 about the indoor and outdoor space. On the outdoor space, it could maximizing the deck. It could be maximizing the deck, so the user could enjoy about the exterior environment of its Meadow view lane, just right there. I mean, it's so pretty cool and very great design. If we as if me as a designer could be make it real. Okay, we can see about the another side of this tiny home, and then we can see about the combination between the meadow nature or meadow land with this tiny home composition. I mean, it was pretty cool and very great design with aerodynamic, futuristic, and curvy shape of the envelopes design inspiration, just like this. And I mean, I still thinking about the structure system of this. Seems like floating structure or floating mesh of this tiny home building. So okay, I mean it's like UFO. I mean it's like a UFO, but it could. I mean it could be uh, make it real. I I mean it could be easily to make it real because we can see clear enough about the structural system of the bottom. We can see about the bottom position of this tiny home with several column, and we can see about the um, glossy mesh with a metallic material. I mean it's just a metallic material with a curvy shape and curvy envelopes of the top of the roof. Thanks for watching and just wait for my next video.